In electric commercial vehicles, regenerative braking saves energy, but excess braking energy can overheat the battery when it's nearly full. Traditional hardware brake resistors dissipate this energy, but are bulky, costly, and rarely used. Now ZF introduces the Software Brake Resistor, which replaces hardware with AI-driven, cloud-based software. Using geospatial data and the vehicle's energy profile, it analyzes routes and simulates energy losses and recoveries, and predicts the battery capacity needed to minimize excess heat from regenerated energy. By avoiding overcharging, the system eliminates the hardware resistor, frees up 150 kilograms payload, saves about 1,500 euros per vehicle, accelerates homologation, and reduces total cost of ownership. This innovation marks a shift to software-defined braking and charging, making road transport safer and more efficient.